Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious enchilada sauce with Chile Guajillo. First, gather about 10 to 12 dried Guajillo chilies. Carefully remove their stems and seeds to reduce bitterness and prepare them for rehydration. Then, place the chilies in a pot, cover them with hot water, and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until they become soft and pliable. This step is crucial for developing their deep, fruity flavor. Once your chilies are perfectly rehydrated, it's time to create the flavorful base for your sauce. Transfer the softened chilies to a blender. Add 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, about 1/4 of a medium onion, and 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. Pour in 1.5 cups of the reserved chili soaking water. Blend all these ingredients until you achieve a completely smooth and consistent puree. Now, let's cook our sauce to perfection. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Carefully strain the blended chili mixture directly into the hot oil. This step ensures a silky smooth sauce, free of any lingering chili skins. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally, allowing the flavors to deepen beautifully. To finish your incredible enchilada sauce, season it with 1 teaspoon of salt and 0.5 teaspoon of black pepper. If the sauce is too thick, you can add about 1/4 of a cup of chicken broth to reach your desired consistency. Give it a good stir, then taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. This homemade Guajillo enchilada sauce is now ready to elevate your favorite enchilada dishes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.